Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting the exact ingredients: golden carrots, netherwort, glass bottles, and blaze powder. Fill 3 water bottles and place them into the brewing stand. Once done, add blaze powder to power the stand. Next, brew awkward potions by combining netherwort with water bottles. This step transforms water into a base that accepts effects. Make sure to keep one eye on inventory space, because you'll need room for golden carrots and the finished potions as you move into the next step. Once your awkward potions are ready, add golden carrots to the brewing stand to brew night vision potions. These default to 3 minutes. If you need longer viewing, add redstone dust to extend duration to 8 minutes. This changes how long the effect lasts, not strength. Note: glowstone increases potency for some effects, but night vision has no higher potency. Do not waste glowstone here. Make sure to move bottles carefully after brewing. Collect the night vision potions and prepare for final usage. Drink the night vision potion to transform your screen immediately. You'll see the effect icon and brighter visuals. If you need to share it, convert one potion to a splash with gunpowder or craft lingering with dragon's breath for area coverage. This is useful for multiplayer or base illumination without torches. If the effect doesn't appear, make sure you're on Bedrock Edition without shaders or resource packs that override visuals. Also confirm you brewed golden carrots into awkward potions and not mistakenly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.